What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I got me a Dusk Lite by Ampere. They sent this product to me and asked me to take a look at it. This is the Lite version that doesn't have any Bluetooth speaker in it. So anyway, when I saw this in the email, I was like, okay, I got it. That can't be possible. You know what I'm saying? It's very futuristic. So anyway, I'm going to take a look at this today. You're along with me for the journey. They did send this to me, by the way, but this video is not sponsored by them at all. They just asked me to take a look at it and give my opinion on it. If you are looking for like a Bluetooth speaker as well, there is another model of this. This does have an app that goes along with it, and so they want you to download the app to control it with the app and things like that. But that's cool. So with the manual, they come with this little polarized tester, so you can actually test to see if your glasses are really polarized. Cloth. Little bag for your glasses. Very cool. It's better than those bulky sunglasses box, you know what I'm saying? And the glasses itself. Okay, so on the surface it looks like just a regular pair of sunglasses, just like my review on the Razer and the Oho. The material is pretty much the same. It's very light, it's kind of flexible, so depending on your head. There's some charging pins right here, I'm pretty sure, and then there's just one button right next to it. There are some charging cables on the side right here. USB-C to these pins. Oh, I see. The magnets on the side, and then the two pins in the middle is going to charge it. Then there's extra nose pads. Interesting. Okay. There's a thick and a thin one. Okay, so it looks like there's only one way to charge this thing. If you go this side right here, the magnet won't align, and it will miss it every single time because it'll push it away. Here, you snap right into it, and you can see that the light is showing right there. What I'm going to do is I want to download the app and then give this thing a test, all right? Okay, guys, so I got this thing charged up just a tiny bit. I'm going to test it to see if it works. Wow, it does work. Look at that. Just pressing this button right here actually will... Wow. By the way, you don't need the app in order to make that happen. It's just the app enhances it, that's all. Wow. Okay, look. Oh, wow, it's very polarized. Oh. You're seeing this, right? And obviously I'm seeing it, but wow. And the polarization, kept its self intact. There you go. Can you see that? Of course you can see that. Hold on. So look. Check this out. That is amazing. Wow. Yeah, that's definitely a technology of 2024 right there. Okay, so what I want to test out next is that I have this feature on right now. Okay, got it. So as soon as you turn it off, the darkness goes away. So it goes back to its default setting. I see. So it needs battery power in order for it to make the shade. Ah, okay. Okay, well, there you go, guys. This is some amazing tech that I've never seen before. I have no idea something like this exists. Can you imagine using this? Having this on your windows at your house, where you can just press a button and it darken it out. This is amazing. This is like the technology where Inspector Gadget uses. Anyway, guys, that's it right there. Hope you guys enjoy this. The tech of the future, right here in my hand. Have a good one. Bye-bye.